Okay, different types of averages, values that you can calculate to kind of summarize a list of numbers. Averages. Say we asked people what their age were. We asked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, and this is what they responded. We could ask ourselves, what is the mean age? The mean is like the typical average, usually mean is what we mean. To find the mean, it's the total of the values divided by the number of values. In this case, 29 plus 36 plus 41 plus 48 plus 55 plus 55. Right. Am I going to do that? Yes, I am. So I add up all the values. And I use my calculator and add it up. It's 264. The number of values, how many values did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people were asked. I have 6 values, 6 different ages. The ages add up to 264. The number of ages that I added are 6. So 264 divided by 6 is 44. So the mean age was 44 years. Cool. I could also say, what is the median here? What is the median age? Median means the middle value. The middle value. I've put my ages into ascending order, started with the lowest age, ended with the highest age. So I put them in order. Now I can find the middle value. So what age is actually in the middle? These are the 2 outside ones. We move in. Oops. This number would be in the middle. There's not one number in the middle. Otherwise that would be super easy. We would say it's this number, but there's no number in the middle. There's 2 numbers actually in the middle, right? 41 and 48. So what do? We find the average, the mean between those 2 numbers. So 41 plus 48 divided by 2. What is that? That's 89 divided by 2, which equals 44.5 years. So the median age would be 44.5 years. I think it's kind of funny that to find, when there's 2 middle values, you actually find the mean between these 2 values, the mean, to find the median. I think that's funny. Okay, what is the mode age? Mode. That means the value that occurs the most often. Sometimes there's no mode, but in this case you can see that there's actually 2 people that told me the same age. 55 occurs twice. The other ones only occur once. So 55 is the age that occurred most often. 55. Yeah? Then I could ask, what is the range of the values? What is the range in age? Range is a measure of spread, and it's found by taking the highest value and subtracting the lowest value. And with value, I mean age. So the highest age reported was 55. The lowest age reported was 29. The difference between those is 26. Yes, it is. So the range is 26, because that's the difference between the lowest and the highest value. There's a range of 26 in our sample. Okay. Sometimes we use frequency tables to, because there's a lot of numbers, then it's not cool to write them out in a row, right? And we use a frequency table. Say we asked people on the street how many pets they had. Some people had 0, some had 1, 2, 3, or 4 pets. There were no instances where people reported having 5 or more pets, right? The maximum was 4. So how many people said they had no pets? There's 5 people that said that. 9 people said they had 1 pet. 4 people said they had 2. 1 person said they had 3 pets, and 1 person said they had 4 pets. To find the mean number of pets in our sample, we need to add up all the pets, right? The total of the values, and then divide by the number of values, so the number of people that we asked. Shall we find out how many people we asked? We had 5 people with no pets, 9 with 1 pet, 4 with 2 pets, 1 with 3 pets, 1 with 4 pets. So how many people did we ask? We add these numbers together. 1, 2, this is 6, plus 5 is 11, so 20 people, right? That's the number of values. That's the 20 people we asked. How many pets did they have all together? Well, for that we need to fill in this column. 5 times 0 pets, that's 0 pets, right? 9 times 1 pet would be 9 pets in total. 4 times 2 pets would be 8 pets in total that these 4 people owned together, right? 1 person had 3 pets, so that's another 3. 1 person had 4 pets, so another 4 pets. Add up all these pets together, 7 and 17 is 24. They had 24 pets altogether. So 24 pets distributed amongst 20 people. If we were to divide them among them equally, they would each have 1.2 pets. So the mean number of pets is 1.2, which seems reasonable. Like most people have 1, some have 0, some have 2. Altogether it's a little more than 1 on the average mean value. Okay, median. What is the middle value? These are the values, right? If we were to put them all in order, we would have 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would have 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We would have 4 twos, 1, 2, 3, 4. We would have 1 3 and 1 4. So these are all our values that were reported in ascending order, right? And we're looking for the median values, so the value that's in the middle. I think we can sort of see that that's going to be a 1. But if we wanted to not write this out, we need to know which of these 20 values is the middle value. If you've got a total of 20 numbers, which number is going to be in the middle? Is it going to be the 10th number? Is it going to be the 11th number? If you divide 20 by 2, 10 would be in the middle. But if you take 10, there's going to be 10 above it and 9 below it, so that's not fair. If we take 11, there's going to be 10 below it and 9 above it. So that's not fair either. So 10 and 11 are actually in the middle together. 10 and 11. So where are the 10th and the 11th value? The first 5 are here. The first 14, 5 plus 9, the first 14 are here. So values numbers 6 through 14 are all ones, right? The 6th number through the 14th number are all ones. So the 10th and 11th value are in here. They're going to be ones. So the median value is a 1. The mode, which is the most popular value? Which is the value that occurs most often in our sample? Well, the one that occurs 9 times, right? Which value occurs most often? This one, this value, because it occurs 9 times. So the mode value is 1. 1 occurs 9 times. Nothing occurs more frequently than the value 1. Okay, what is the range of values? We take the highest value. The highest number of pets reported is 4. We subtract the lowest value, the lowest number of pets reported, which was 0. 4 minus 0 is 0. So the spread is 4, right? The measure of spread, range, is 4. Voila.